Hello my lovies, welcome back to my channel. So this is the outfit of the day. The starring today, this is my favorite. I know I said the other coat is my favorite, but guys, this is my favorite coat from Forever New. Yes, my little cute dress. So we girly, but we giving we boss lady. We also giving we woman. We giving we ladies. We queens. We giving we carry on. We giving everything. We giving everything woman. And the earrings and shoes. Those are the shoes to go with the outfit. Oh, I'll see you later when I'm dressed. Hello guys, welcome to another episode. Thank you again for your support. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back here. If you're new, I am Dolly, Dr. Symphony to you if you want to call me that. No, I'm joking guys, you can call me Dolly. I love you, but remember God loves you more. It's another episode. Oh God, I can't believe we're here. Like, look at us, we're more than 10 episodes into this. And guys, don't forget to watch the shorts. My shorts, I can't believe it. My shorts are like the hit. So if you're watching this episode, don't forget to go to the shorts and watch the shorts. Planning to do a whole lot of things in this channel. For now, we're just growing together. I'll show you this and that. So I'm not going to tell you what's happening in this episode, but enjoy and watch until the end, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I love you, but God loves you more. Bye. Sometimes the phone doesn't do the views justice. Oh, nice. Hey, I'm gonna open it with you. Let's see what's inside. We all know, but like, I'm just teasing you. Hello, my lovies. Guess what? I got my parcel from Amazon. Who doesn't want new things? Who doesn't want deliveries? That is surprise for people. These are deliveries. Anyway, no, I bought it myself. It's not a surprise, okay? I ordered something. I'll show you when I open it, because yay. Okay, let's open. Let's just not talk a lot. Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna cut it because press down finger to see. Let's see. It's something that I've always wanted because let's see. Put this here. Okay, I can show you this side because it has my name and my face. Guess what? Yes. I got a TYMO hair straightening comb because remember my other video, go watch it, when I was talking about the struggles in diaspora of doing my natural African hair, my afro. And I came across this. Somebody uses it. Actually, hair tutorial. So I don't know whether you know her. She uses this, and she was advertising it, and people were actually praising how good it works. So I thought, let me get it. So I can be able to straighten my hair once in a while, because after washing my hair, it's a struggle, guys. It's been a struggle to detangle it. So okay, how do we open this? Let's unbox together. Ooh, what? Okay, I guess this is, oh, hair pins, like hair clips actually, to clip the hairs I dry it. This, okay, let me take away this first. So, ew. So we have the hair clips. Okay, packaging first. Hair clips. Oh, I have a similar brush. I'll keep this, but I have a similar brush. Brush the hair. What? I don't know, maybe I'm supposed to hold it. Does it get hot when I'm not drying? Okay, gloves. And begin of the moment. What? Okay. I guess I didn't expect this. Okay, maybe I don't know. So I thought it's supposed to be like hair. Oh, maybe okay. I'll read. It's supposed to be like comb teeth or something. What do you call it? Don't. But we'll see. Okay, I don't know how it works. So apparently it works well in Afro with our natural hair. So I'll check this out and see. It better work because it costed me money. You better work. Also, you hold with the brush and then you follow with this, and then your hair gets in here and straightened. Okay, guys, that's it. I'll probably show you when I'm missing it. So now we take it back in. I'm not sure about this. Thing. Yeah, the head. Yeah, boxer. Boxing it again. That's about it. Okay, put it away for now. And then I also added this to my, it's just wig pieces, 2 wig pieces, because my wig heads were so old, so I just need 2 wig heads. Well, thank you guys. Bye. Yeah, I just looked at this, guys, because I was confused about actually it's called teeth, because I thought when I say teeth, I'm not saying that I think it's actually called teeth. They're saying the ceramic teeth with patented V-shape make hair a silky shiny scent. So this teeth apparently work. We'll see how it goes. No matter the hair types, it has 5 heat settings for soft, thin, fine, bleached, dyed, curly, thick, or wavy hair to silky and natural straight hair. Yeah, let's hope it works. Sure.